Live your dream, live your heart. Open yourself.
Beloved birds, look at the troubles happening in our world. Sickness, poverty, fear, loneliness, mass destruction of the Mother Nature, desperate fights over water, poison air, unhappiness. I fear we are lost. We must do something. I have seen the world. I know many secrets. I know of a sultan of the birds who has all the answers. The simmer lives beyond the Kaf mountains. He has the treasure you seek. We must go and find him. Demand your wings. We are the birds who have been waiting.